Hello everyone. Please let me know guys if you can hear me. Hi Naveen, hi SH Tech. Can someone please confirm if you can hear me? Great. Thank you. We'll wait for another 1 minute and then we'll start the event. Thank you all. Thanks everyone for joining in and thanks Yo-Yo for the confirmation. What's your good name? Yo-Yo. Okay. Hi Aman. Hope you guys are enjoying selector sub tools and saving time and learning. We have lots of things today which will definitely going to help you guys a lot on your day-to-day work. Hi Naveen, I'm good, thank you. How are you? Which all tools you guys used from Selector Sub? Hi Vikas. Vikas from Canada, big fan of Selector Sub. Thank you. Good to know. Thanks for joining, Vikas. Have you guys used Test Case Studio, testing daily, auto test data? Now we have like lots of tools which are saving lots of time for you all. I'm sure if you haven't used yet, you must try them. They will help a lot. Hi Aman. Aman from Brampton. Using Test Case Studio. Good to know. Thank you. One of the best tool. Mostly I use XPath validator. Great. Great. Ujjwal have used them. Okay. So I guess we are pretty much ready and then we can start now. People will keep joining in if anybody left out there. So let me just share my screen. Can someone please confirm if you guys can see my screen? Please let me know if you guys can see it. Okay. Great. Thank you once again. Hi Mukesh, thank you. Thanks for joining in. Hi all, thanks for joining in. Okay, so the very first thing, these solutions, I'm going to show you guys, these are going to help on your day-to-day basis and will keep helping you a lot, like in many ways. So I did recently couple of surveys on different social media platform. Like, how do you guys get to know about any testing conference or meetup or webinar? So many people says like via email, social media ads, through influencers post, and some like other ways, because through peers to peers or mouth to mouth we got to know. But you see that what if like sometimes you miss the email, because not every event organizer has your email ID. Not every event organizer sending the emails, or like you're not able to follow those promotional emails as well many times through events, social media ads. Not every event organizers like us, we don't run social media ads like for RTP, Selector Sub meetup, or like many more meetups like Naveen is hosting this Saturday meetup in Jaipur. If you guys are there, then you should definitely join that. So these kind of events, not every great event organizers run the social media ads, so that you might not be able to get to know. Then influencers post, like let's say someone has posted something on LinkedIn, and if at that moment you have not opened LinkedIn, or in that time frame you have not opened when he has posted, in that case you might miss that particular event updates. And there are many other ways, like you won't be able to get to know each and every event, and this end up you missing the good event related to testing. Like many a times we get to know that and in fact, like people used to keep asking us, when you guys are hosting this event, we missed this event because we didn't get to know about this event. Like this another survey I did on LinkedIn and in all the platform, like have you ever missed a testing conference, QA meetup, or webinar because you didn't get to know about it? And this is like very very not, I would say, the rare case that you will miss. There are 95 or more than 90% chances that we used to miss such kind of event because of like lack of awareness or lack of information. And sometimes people or event organizers are not able to reach us or to each and everyone. Like we hosted RTP pretty much in every city of like India, but in from every city many people have missed about the event. Either they didn't get to know, or like they didn't get the information about like when or how this event has happened, and then they saw the pictures on LinkedIn or got to know about from the people. So likewise, there are many events which we used to miss, but we still want to learn and want to join them. So to solve all this problem, like we have already testing daily, which is helping us a lot to learn about the testing on the go. If you are stuck anywhere in the traffic and you are wasting your time, then it helps you guys a lot. So we have this like concept of learning testing on the go with the help of testing daily app. Now you guys can let me know, like before I show you guys what we have done, I would like to know from you guys that what you have, like how do you guys get to know about like any testing event or anything which is happening today? Is there any like, do you guys want to share like how do you guys get to know about like any testing event, webinar? And have you guys ever missed some of these, like let's say free webinar or paid webinar or free conference, meetup, QA meetup, testing conference? Have you guys ever missed that, or you are able to get all the information about all the events? Ujjwal says like LinkedIn, he used to get this information through LinkedIn. Shiva, I subscribe, I get notification. Great. But not the, I'm sure like Shiva, not the all the events or everything you could subscribe. Like hardly we used to subscribe some of the events newsletter or some of the newsletters which doesn't give us like all the details. Aman says lack of awareness, that's why we miss. Usually LinkedIn only, have missed multiples. Sanket, LinkedIn is the only source of information. I don't think there is not any centric tool that can get you to know about all the events around the world. Email, yes, mostly LinkedIn. So yes, pretty much like everybody is saying about the like LinkedIn they used to use. Now let me show you something, guys, which will help you to get all the like events and everything at one place. Any guess what it is? Now we are introducing events in testing daily. So going forward, with the help of this, any events, whatever will be happening around, you will be getting all the information through testing daily. And if you have the like mobile app or the extension or any, like whichever you have, through that you will get the all the events information upcoming, if anything happening today, that all things you will get through this. How? Like let me show you. So if you, those who have the testing daily extension already installed in your system. So this is already live. So you see that whenever you open testing daily, like whenever you open the new tab, so those were first those who are new to testing daily, let me tell you guys that this is an free extension which you install in your browser. Once you install, next time whenever you will open a new tab, you will see this kind of feed in place of blank tab. And if you want to open a website, you can open a website. So here it used to show all the like latest testing feeds, like blogs, all the articles, YouTube tutorial. If anything comes new, that immediately get listed here, and you it used to keep you updated with all the latest thing related to testing, what's happening around. Same way, now you will find all the events related information right there in testing daily. So here in the testing daily, what you will see that now we have the event tab here. So if you click on this, it will show you all the upcoming events which are happening. Like let's say on 15th May, this was happened. 16th it is happening. This one is for 16th. Jaipur QA meetup by Naveen Automation Lab on 18th, ATA Pune meetup by Agile Testing Alliance on 18th. Likewise, you keep scrolling and you will keep getting all the information like which event is going to happen when. Right. So this way you will get all the information and you are not going to miss any event going forward. So this is going to help you guys a lot, this event thing on testing daily. And this will be available of course like both on extension as well as on the mobile app, Android and Apple. It is like Android and iOS both, it is already available. You guys can install it on your phone. This is the like scanner for installing it on the mobile. I will show you before that. Let me just show you guys here. So this is in the extension that you can like see now all the events details here. Before I move on, like let me take a pause here. If you guys have any question, anything, then I'm happy to take those questions. This is events on testing daily, guys. Any question, any feedback? This is already live, guys. So if you have testing daily mobile app or the extension, you will see it there. Which browser it supports? It supports all the browsers. Whichever browser you are using, it supports all of them. Okay, Aman has a question here. From where we are pulling this information in events tab? Okay, so this I will show you guys from where we are entering it. I will show that. Just before that, all the browser supports. It's really nice. Thanks for your effort, Sanjay. We really appreciate. Thank you. Yes, it will give all types of event information, but yes, not the developer event or other events. It will give testing related events information like any upcoming webinar, QA meetup, testing conference that it will give. Okay, now let me show you guys how this event thing will work and from where we all get this data, how we are fetching, what is the source of the information. So because that is the biggest challenge, like not everybody is going to like not everyone is going to update or not everyone is going to push the information there. So for that reason we have it here, like we will be keep adding the information, all those things related to all the events. And then we have added an option here that list your event. So you see that here you have list your event. So if you find like here, because this will be a community driven platform where everybody can add the information, everybody can contribute and share, because not everyone will be able to like not, because this information is like very vast. Like somebody is posting on just launching as a Google form about for their event registration page. Somebody might be just posting it on their YouTube channel. Someone might be posting it on like some QA groups, Telegram groups, like Facebook group, and then somebody might be just posting it about their event on LinkedIn. So it is very difficult to fetch all the details from different platform, because some platforms are not public. So for that reason, like first of all, like we will be listing pretty much everything here, and rest if any event you found missing here, because we will be giving the search option and all. So if you find any option, any missing event here, what you can do, you can just list your event. Like it, if it is your event or someone else event, you found that this event is missing, this event is not listed. So for that reason we have given this amazing option to list your event. So suppose you, if you are an event organizer, like let's say you are hosting a meetup and you find that your event is not listed here, or if you like let's say you just announce your meetup and you want to list that here, you can immediately come here and just submit this form, and your event will go for submit for review. We will review that and immediately it get published here. And like today more than 50,000 testers already having the testing daily app and extension. Immediately all these people will get to know about this, about your event and everything. And we also used to send the mobile notification, so people will immediately get to know about this, about your event and about this information. So you can just simply like submit this here. Like for an example, I will show you guys one by submitting. So couple of events are being hosted by ATA meetup. So like you can see that here, let's say they are hosting this event on like Vadodara meetup they are hosting. ATA Vadodara meetup is happening on 9 19th of May. So what we can do, you just submit like this here, and here you can add image or enter thumbnail URL. So in this case, like this is the their thumbnail, or if it is like this is the one. So one way is like you can just upload the thumbnail here. If you have, like I have already this image, so I can just upload this image. On the other side, if you don't have image and you don't want to upload image, so what you can do, like this is the, let's say this is thumbnail of your event, then right click and copy image URL. You can just right click, if that will be image, you will get the option on the context menu. I feel like image is not there. Okay, so that like you can just give the image URL. If you are not having image URL, then you can upload the image from here like this. So now image is here. Short description, you can provide short description about the event, like what it is. So let's say this is the quick description. Like in place of like copy pasting or everything, you just a small description you can provide here. Then you can select the start date when this event is going to happen. So let's say this event is going to happen 18th May 10 to 1. We were talking about Vadodara one. So we can put that detail here. Like this is going to happen on 19th of May, 10 a.m. So we'll select this. I'm just giving an example. This could be like, this information could be like up and down. So not a problem. And then like when it is going to end, like let's say this is going to end on the same day, 6 p.m. or something like that. So that you can select here. And this is going to happen like in IST or whatever it is. Then event link, you can just copy the event link and paste it here. And then here you can provide the text, like whether this is text button text, whether it is like you want to user action button is like register now, and then you can submit for review. It will go for review. We will review at the back end like image. So okay, one more good thing, that if that event will already exist, it will show you like event URL already exists. So this is already showing. Okay, just to show you guys, I will just copy paste this URL here. Just we will not publish this, I'm just showing you guys. So if you will be submitting a duplicate event, it will show you that this event already exists. If that will be fresh, it will go for review, and then once we will review that, then it will get published here. So this is how you guys can publish your event, list your event here on testing daily, so that like these all testers will get to know about it. And many more validations we have already put, like duplicate of the title, duplicate of the url, and we will be keep adding more and more these kind of checks, so that like there will not be any duplicacy, because this is the very first release and very first version which we are launching. So this will help you guys a lot, that you will be getting all the information. And because this is the open platform, no coding, nothing will be required for you to submit any kind of event here. You just have to click on the form and then you would be able to submit it. So this is how you can get all the events here on the testing daily now, not just the like blogs and articles and YouTube tutorial what earlier we were having. Now you have all the information at one place. Any question? Can we get live recording of the event? Yes, this recording will be available here on the YouTube channel of Selector Sub. So if you haven't subscribed, you can subscribe one. Good one. Thank you, Gaurav. Would it be verified by someone? What ID someone post wrong information? So yes, okay, I have already showed you guys that yes, it will go for the review. We know that like anything can be posted or submitted. So for that reason, we have that thing that not everything can be published here. So it will go for the review for sure. Also need to avoid the duplicate information in case someone post LinkedIn link, someone giving direct site link. Yes, that duplicacy we have already taken care. But yes, we will have to keep improving and keep adding more and more things there. Yes, this will also we will take care. Like if in some ways we can add more things for our freshers to help. Good validation put into picture. Thanks. Thank you so much. Now, no need to worried if I miss event. Definitely, Gaurav. And thanks for all your feedback. Okay, any question, any feedback so far, guys, before I move on? So it's very simple, guys. How you can get the testing daily? Just go to Selectors of website here. And on the Selectors of website, you will find the testing daily. Here it is. And on the testing daily homepage, you will find all the like download links of the extension as well as the mobile app, everything. So, and in fact, like directly on the homepage, you will find it here. So this is the mobile app link, and then install now. So everything is already available. So all these details you will find. I will highly recommend those who don't have the mobile app, then please do install it on your phone to get all the information and you don't miss anything. Right, like this. Here it is. So for Chrome, you can just directly go to here, Chrome Store, and it will open this link. So from here, you can install the testing daily on your browser. And once you will have it on your browser, next time when you will open the new tab, you will find this these kind of information here. And then under event tab, you will have all the events, upcoming events. Past event it will not show, we will take care of that. Like it will show all the upcoming events. And yes, definitely, like any feedback or anything, we will be keep improving that. Here you will see that the title, then here you will see the start date and time. Author we are showing here, bookmark if you want to bookmark any event, and then here you will see like if you want to see like learn more or register button, so that you will see it here. Now let me show you guys how you will see that on mobile. So this is the mobile app here. So as soon as you open mobile app, you will see like this. Lots of improvements we have done on mobile app as well recently, which you will love. So you see that here, as soon as you open, it will show you all the latest feed, what has been posted today. Like you can see that on 16th of May, this video by Gaurav here, then all the YouTube tutorials and any blogs or anything posted on WordPress website, Medium, all those articles and all those things you will get it here from like more than 500 plus resources. Right now it is showing the feed here, so you are not going to miss anything. Okay, and then as like extension we have the events tab here. You click on this and you will see all the events here as well on the mobile. So let's say you are somewhere on the go and you don't have the access of like laptop or something, and you don't want to miss anything and you want to see like what's happening around the world in testing, then in that case you just open, and here under events tab you will find all the events, upcoming events. And same way, here you have the plus button here. You click on this. If you want to submit or publish any event, you can just click, and same form what you have seen there, that you can get it here. Here you will see this file. If you can, if you want to upload the thumbnail, you can upload this, or you want to give the thumbnail URL, select this and you can paste the URL. Same, all those fields are same, like event title, description, start date, end date, and then event time zone, event link, and action button, and then you can submit for review. It will go for review. So this is how you can publish or submit the event from mobile app as well. This all will make sure that you guys don't miss anything, as well as your peers, your friend, colleague, and testing community doesn't miss anything. So I will highly request and recommend everyone that if you find anything missing, any event or any upcoming webinar on this page, do submit that, so that like we will review and publish it, so that like community doesn't miss anything. So like if you will submit today, someone else tomorrow will submit, so this way like we will be keep helping each other. And this platform, like this testing daily events platform, will be like a one go platform where everyone will be able to find all the upcoming events related to testing in just one go, one shot, at one place with all the information. This is by far the best thing to follow for all the developer community. Thank you, Raghu. Thank you so much, Raghunandan, for joining in. Okay, this is the direct scanner for the app. You guys can just scan and install it if you don't have this app. And you also get the notification for each and every post, like I mean, which is an important post and the tutorial, and as well as the, now you will get the events notifications as well. So you are not going to miss anything. You can just scan this and install it. Any questions, guys? Any feedback? Okay. Now, not just this thing, lots of people have given this feedback, and in fact, it was required as well. That what if like we are not able to, our feed is not picked up by testing daily. So for that also we have added something here in testing daily now, that suppose you are a creator and you have written some post, because right now like test like let's say LinkedIn, for an example, LinkedIn is not a public platform. Like their feed is not available publicly. Like if you have to access some post or some article, you have to log in LinkedIn to read that particular article or blog or whatever you say. So if you feel that something you have written important and which it should reach to larger audience of testing, so for that region, now we have added option to post your article or list your article in testing daily. So here you have this option. If you feel that your article or blog has not been picked up by testing daily and it is not listed here, you can list it here. So you see that here, you just click on that, and here you have this title, same pretty much similar form like event. So title, and then you can add image or thumbnail, then little description about the post, and post or article, and then your post link, article link, and then action button, whether you want to let the user see the action button as like read more, learn more, or watch, if that is a tutorial, and then you can submit for review. So once it goes for review, we will review that particular article, and then it will be published here. Like for an example, if you, let me just show some of the article here. If that article will not be already picked, like for an example, if I go here on blog, suppose this advanced XPath and cssSelector, this blog post is not posted there, for an example. So what I will do, like I will just copy this. I'm just giving an example how that can be done. So this is post link, title like this. Don't publish this kind of post, of course. I'm just giving an example that how you can just submit this, and here you can add image. So for an example, I pick up any image here like this, just for an example I'm saying. We will delete, of course, at the backend, or the like thumbnail URL. Okay, so here in place of like let's say, if you don't want to submit image, what you can do, like you can just copy the image URL, like this is the image here. So you can copy image address, and then you can use it here, like you can paste that if you don't want to submit the image. Okay, like that. And we highly recommend that you don't upload the thumbnail, you always paste the your image URL, so it will pick from there. And then here we can say that, let's say, learn more, and then you can submit for review. So this is how it will show that the content may not be greater than. Okay, so because we have posted a very long content here, it always asks for the short description, so that we will keep. So whatever like suggestion post URL already exists, good. So it has that check. Like let me just make it wrong something, then it will take. But you guys don't make it wrong. I'm just giving an example. Now post submitted for review. So this has gone for review. So this way you will be able to submit your post as well on testing daily. So now if anything important you feel that you have written somewhere, like on any platform like Medium, we are already able to pick, Twitter, LinkedIn, if any platform which you feel that from that platform your article has not been picked, then you can. Or if you're writing on your own website and you feel that that article should be listed on testing daily and it should reach to larger audience, in that case you can post your article, list your article in testing daily. Now you have this option. Same way through mobile you can do it here. Here this button, you click on this plus and you have this post and event both. Click on post and here you have the same form on the mobile as well. Let me know guys if you have any feedback or any like recommendation here. Hope you guys will enjoy this and this will help you. Okay, so this is the post on testing daily. Lots of so this is already live guys, this event, and list your event as well as the post your add your post here, both on extension as well as on the mobile app, on Android, iOS, everywhere. These features are already live. One lots of other improvements like performance improvement and small features and bug fixes has been done in testing daily mobile app. Like earlier you were not seeing able to see this text here on the footer of the app, so now you will have this icons with these small text as well explaining what it is. And we have moved that view icon, like change your view of the app. Like right now it is showing for me it is in list view. If you want to change that to grid view, because earlier here icon was grid view, that we have moved it to here under left menu bar. If you see that here, so this is here. So if you want to change the view, you can change the view from there. So now that has been moved here. Okay, so if you want to change anything, that you can do it from here. So this is the event, listing of event and listing of your article or post. what is going to come next in this? Lots of new things, and based on the feedback we are also going to add couple of more things on events here. Like right now you are not able to see that whether this particular event is going to happen online or offline, and then whether this is a free or paid, or if it is going to happen offline, then this is going to happen in like which country or city. So that all things we are going to add, and soon you will be able to see that here. So what all things we will add, we will have, you will be able to see that whether this event is online or offline, if it is offline, in which city and country this is going to happen, if it is a free or paid, both that information will be available. And then end date, also like right now if you open the event, like suppose this event is for 3 4 days, so you are able to see the start date and time, but when this event is going to end, like because some events could be for like 3 days, 4 days, 2 days conference. So that all information you will be able to see here soon, that we have already in our pipeline, and a lot more features we are going to add in testing daily based on your feedback and recommendation, as well as what we feel that this information will be helpful for our users, for our testing community, that we will be keep adding here. So this is the testing daily, guys. So far, if you have any question, uh, more than happy to take all your questions and queries. Any questions? Any questions, guys? Any feedback here? And a lot more things we are going to launch soon for our testing community. A lot more free tools, I would say. So soon you will see that, because lots of great things we have been working on, like this testing daily has been quite some time, and a lot more new initiatives I'm working on. So soon we will launch them, and they are going to help a lot. And in fact, like as recently I have announced yesterday, that soon, very soon, like within 3 months, every QA will be using some or other utility of Selector. So we are going to help you guys a lot with lot more free tools and innovations, which will save a lot of time for you people, and those will be like great utility as well. So this all will help you guys a lot. So there is a question here, like what it will show any conflict, and also if multiple events are going to happen at the same time, or some kind of warning. So for now, like it will be like whichever has been published first for the same date and time, there will not be any kind of conflict. It will show, like it will list on the page in the testing daily app based on their published time. Like let's say two events are happening at the same time, same date, so whichever has been submitted first in testing daily app, that will show. Then like whichever has been submitted later, that will come on top. So likewise it will be listed all of them, like there will not be any kind of conflict due to date and time. Just that we will make sure that duplicate doesn't happen over there. But yes, for date and time there will not be any conflict, all will be published there. Okay, no more questions, guys. If not, then that's pretty much from my end for today. I hope you guys will enjoy this utility event and keep contributing there. We will keep adding more and more features and more innovation, and stay tuned for more innovative solution from Selectors Hub. Very soon you will see a lot more things from us. With that, thank you so much everyone for joining in. If you have any question, any feedback, we are always available on Selector Serve website live chat. You can also follow us and ask your queries on any of the social media platform. And keep learning, keep sharing. If you haven't shared testing daily, or if you haven't installed testing daily on your browser and mobile app, then please do install it, and do share it in your community QA group, and let the world know about this amazing app and the extension, so that people can learn and grow and get help from this particular free app. Thank you once again everyone. Have a great day. Bye bye.